right, so whenever you first come in, I have changed some things, but I've also changed out or rearranged how I would keep my furniture. So to the left, I have this, I want to say Art Deco Revival or 1980s sofa, and then it came with this gorgeous fan back chair, so it's a set. And I got it on Facebook Marketplace, and I cleaned it up, and she's in amazing shape now. So that's why I'm keeping pink blankets and fabric over the seat part, because I want to make sure it doesn't get dirty, because I spent a whole lot of time cleaning these, and I used Folex from Home Depot, and that shit works awesomely. Like it is awesome. Like it is the bee's knees. So yeah, it made this fabric get really, really clean. And yeah, so it got any stains out and stuff like that. Okay, so anyway, the swan tables, I put one over there and one right here, and I painted them gold. I've had this, and then it's just old. Yeah, it's vintage, and then I added the fringe to it. These, I do make these and sell these, so I adorn these. I buy the vintage mirrors and brushes and add pearls and vintage jewelry or brooches. Same with this one. This is another vintage mirror that I adorned as well. I need to create an Etsy shop. I haven't done that yet. I also do face masks. Excuse my nails, I need to get them redone. Yeah, this pink bowl I got from Thrifting. This is a vintage compact mirror I decided to put in here. It was in my bathroom, I think. Pink ashtray. I just love pink glass in general. This Barbie diary is from 1989, the year my husband was born. So that's cool. Thankfully, he's not giving a shit about all this pink I have going on in here. Just as long as it's comfortable and it's clean. So yeah, what else do we have? 80s ashtray. Oh yeah, that just has a couple of my e-cigs in there. This cantilever chair I recovered in like this pink glittery fabric that I found at Joann's, and I just love it. I got this piece right here from Facebook Marketplace. I drove like an hour away to get it. Let's see. The pillows are all vintage. Well, that one came from Etsy, and that one came from somewhere online. I can't remember. Let's see. My pink silk drapes. I brought those in from what I used to call my pink room, but I've changed some things in there, so I brought those in here. I feel like it gives it like a high-end like hotel luxe vibe. So anyways, this mantle, I just painted it the same color. I also painted my entire kitchen, walls, the cabinets, everything all the same color pink, so it feels less choppy and more cohesive. It feels more open. So yeah, you'll see that it's all the same color, all going in. So yeah, I just feel like it feels bigger and just, yeah, more open. So anyway, pink lotus lamp. I have it lit up, so it's kind of hard to tell the color of it right now. And then I have the table lamp also. I'll show you that. It's on my bar setup. I got this. It's from the 1970s. It is vintage, and it has the name written on the bottom of it. I can't remember who it is at the top of my head, but I looked it up and I got a hell of a deal. Let's see, this vintage 80s piece is the matching piece that is now my bar setup, and got that on Marketplace. And then all this stuff is all thrifted. Let's see, the 80s mirrors came from Marketplace. What else do we have? This Vintage brass. Try not to show you my hallway because it's kind of a mess. I gotta I'm cleaning some stuff out, so it's kind of crammed in my hallway. But yeah, this etagere I actually got 2 of them, and the other one's in another room, which I'll do another tour on at some point. But yeah, this one, or both of them I got on Marketplace, and I got a really good deal on them. And I want to say it's from the 70s or 80s. Let's see, the pink swan, all this decor, it's pretty much all thrifted. Pink smoked glass or pink glass. And then this pink heart, I love that. I have a thing for vintage marble. This shell I've had for a really long time. Let's see, what else? Oh, my bar setup. Okay, so cocktails, I don't know why the camera doesn't really pick it up that well to where you can read it that well, but it's lit up and it says cocktails, so I guess because it's lit up it doesn't show it that well on my iPad camera. And then this vintage pink grotto chair, or it's white, and then I upholstered it in pink. The other one is in my kitchen. And then this swan lamp, it's thrifted. All this stuff is thrifted, really. I've had the Venetian mirror, and yeah, this is my bar setup. I think it was my bar setup the last time the last time I did a video. But yeah, I love like the brass details. Same with that matching piece over there. So yeah, you can see that. So cool. But I have my piece over here that I painted pink. I high gloss pink. Just the other side of my hallway is kind of a mess. But yeah, you can see that there, and that's cool. It's an 80s piece right here. This big abstract art, I believe. It's vintage. And I got it from the thrift store. And so over here, it's still pretty much the same. I did put this piece over here. That's vintage. Pretty much all this shit is vintage. It came from thrift stores to estate sales. You name it. That came from the flea market. This is a candle. So freaking cool. Not lighting that. And this has brass detail also. Oh, this is another thing that I adorned as well. It was just plain pink. And then I did this little box here. This like little jewelry box. So yeah. Oh, I just added this pen to that. She's pretty. Let's see. I've just kind of like put some of my vintage jewelry in here. I just like the vibe of it sitting in bowls. And then over here on this piece, I did this. Trying to see if I can get a good view of it. But I recovered it in a different fabric and added all the pearls and vintage brooches. Hate that it's not focusing, whatever. And then this as well. So anything else? Yeah, added stuff to that. I got that the other day. That's vintage. Oh, I even have pink sake. Hey. So yeah, you guys, I think that about wraps this shit up. Yeah, whenever you come into the left is this vintage fan. It's hand painted in gold. this piece right here. It's burl wood with this 80s lamp. I'm loving the juxtaposition here. And so let's see the angle. Oh, that's a vintage Barbie book. So yeah, this is the view from my kitchen. Oh, and I wanted to show you this piece. I finally got a vintage Dorothy Draper style piece. I got this on Marketplace. I drove an hour away to get it. Got this thrifting. There's my, oh, ignore my broom. Ooh, it's got paint all over it. But yeah, that matching, this whole matching set is in the other room. I'll show it to you when that's cleaned. All right.